Hello everybody, my name is Pei-Xin Xie, and I will be discussing about participatory cultures. According to our assigned reading, a participatory culture is used to describe the way in which people communicate and share their idea with other people. Professor Harry Jenkins is the one who spent decades studying the participation of people in the websites. To start off, there are many different platforms where members can share their creations on. Platforms such as Facebook, MySpace, and YouTube are great platforms that the member can communicate and share their information on. Sites like this rely on the contributions of millions of users around the world. Therefore, what we do when we add something to these sites is actually contributing to the whole system of shared and public information accessible to virtually everyone and everywhere. This gives us a better perspective because of how the internet has changed the way we interact or engage with each other. The way we share information with each other can be presented on different platforms, give us a different experience in how we communicate and sharing our thoughts. In my opinion, I feel that most of us today rely heavily on technology for both our studies and our social lives. It has changed the way we share our ideas with each other as well as providing us different learning experiences. Relying on technology is learning tool that educates us well. Because of this, it plays a big role on our education systems today. To sum it up, the reading has helped me better understand educational technology because of how it impacts the way students learn different materials and expressing their own creations. The wide variety of platforms is also a big opportunity for students to access on, which helps educate them. These are some information about participatory cultures, and I hope it helps you guys better understand how there are different ways we can share our creations and information on to show everyone else what we are capable of.